Here is a Brazilian oven-roasted 5-vegetable soup. This recipe makes 4 servings and takes 1 hour and 10 minutes. Let's enjoy a rustic, cozy soup. 1 carrot. Peel and wash the carrot before roasting. 1 sweet potato. Scrub the sweet potato and cut any blemishes away. 1 onion. Peel the onion and remove the ends. 2 cloves of garlic. Peel the garlic cloves and keep them whole for roasting. 2 tomatoes. Wash the tomatoes and cut out the core if needed. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. This will coat the vegetables before roasting. 1 liter of vegetable broth. Use low-sodium broth for better control of salt. 1 teaspoon of salt and ½ teaspoon of black pepper. Adjust seasoning later to taste. 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley. Reserve for garnish to finish the soup. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius and line a baking tray with parchment paper. Cut the carrot into 1 cm thick rounds and place them on the lined tray. Peel the sweet potato and cut into 1 cm cubes. Add the cubes to the tray with the carrot. Peel the onion and cut it into wedges. Arrange the onion wedges on the tray with the other vegetables. Have the tomatoes and place them cut side up. Leave the 2 garlic cloves whole and add them to the tray. Drizzle 2 tablespoons of olive oil over the vegetables, sprinkle 1 teaspoon of salt and ½ teaspoon of black pepper, and toss gently to coat everything. Roast the vegetables in the oven for 30 minutes, turning them once after 15 minutes to brown evenly. Check that the vegetables are tender and lightly caramelized. If tender, remove the tray from the oven. Transfer the roasted vegetables and the roasted garlic into a large pot and pour in 1 liter of vegetable broth. Bring the pot to a gentle simmer over medium heat and simmer for 10 minutes to meld the flavors. Use an immersion blender to puree the soup until smooth, or carefully transfer in batches to a blender and puree until creamy. Taste and adjust seasoning with additional salt or pepper if needed, then stir in 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley. Ladle the hot soup into bowls and finish each with a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of parsley. Now the recipe is complete. Serve and enjoy. That is our oven-roasted 5-vegetable soup from Brazil. If you liked this recipe, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell to not miss new recipes.